Hello, Crazy Bill here. I like that Crazy Bill. Bill here, just saying I'm going out and I saw some UFO out there and I saw some government drones. I'm gonna go out and video them. It's Wednesday night, like around 5 o'clock at night, um, November 9th. So you guys are to see. I hope I get some good stuff for us. So enjoy. Thank you. Okay, what better way to start the night than a drone coming off the lake? Look at that drone, you guys. Coming right at us. You see, the UFOs don't move. They're pretty much in the same spot, except when they're following me, they move. But when we're all just chilling out like now, just sitting here, they don't come closer like this guy does. Yeah, he's coming right at me. Anyways, that's a drone. What a better way to start off the night. See how low he is against the water? That's so he doesn't have to use his strobe lights. I think there's a certain altitude for them to have their lights on. And let's see, my man Mohican right here. Check it out, right in position. I didn't even have to fucking look. I just moved the camera up that way and bam, there he is. Now my drone over here, I'm looking in my naked eye. He's flashing light now. Where did he go? Where'd Mohican go? Oh, there he is. Sorry. That's my fault. My fault. Okay, back to our drone. Look, he's moved over here now. See him? Yep. Turning flashing lights. I think there's a couple over there. But we know... Oh, there he is. There he is. Where the fuck? Where'd he go, man? I lost him, but let's just focus on Mohican because they're all over him. Look at him. He's going in invisible mode. Look at that. Oh, there's a drone right above us. There's one going right next to Mohican. Watch. Okay, he's there. Mohican's right there. I tried to get them both in the same shot. The drone is right above him. And there he is. There's our drone. Come on, you can get closer to Mohican. There it is. I got them both in the same picture. That's a drone examining my UFO Mohican. You guys are seeing it right here. They're going right up to him. Now he's off screen. I could chase him if I want to. He's running over there. He's running from Mohican now. And then here's one right below him, the one that was out in the middle of the lake earlier. Now all of a sudden he's like real low. Where the fuck is he? He should be on. There he is. There he is, right there. That's another one. See, they're going at Mohican high and low. Yes, they are. See, they try to even throw off lights like they're UFOs and shit. You're not a UFO, man. We can see you move. He just moved from all the way over there. And then here's the other one that's taking his place. Can't see him. They're too far out. Mohican, you're surrounded by fucking UFOs. Drones. See, he likes it when I video him. See, he comes out of invisible mode for me. Anyways, he's getting surrounded by these guys. You see that? They're all over the place around him. See that? This is another drone going right underneath Mohican. They're all over the place. There's one right out here. Whoops. But they're too far out from my camera. Anyways, we got other UFOs. There's one right here. My boy, I don't have a name for him. And this is another drone right behind me. What the fuck, man? They're all over. That's a drone. See? He's going up to my other UFOs around here. This place is a circus. I have videos named like that. See, because there's another UFO right there. Oh, God. It's like I can't. Why aren't they there? There he is, right below. There he is. That's a UFO. Right over my head is a drone. There he is. Finally. buzzing out. He does not want to be in the camera. See the UFO right behind him? See, this is fucking no joke, folks. This is no joke shit. That's a UFO. As is this one. That's a UFO too. And these drones are flying all around them. So we got 3 UFOs within camera shot. There's other ones, but I can't get on the camera. Where'd this guy go? There he is. That's UFO. And back to another fucking drone right here. Right below my man Mohican. This guy's like fucking 20 feet off the water. See those trees behind me? This guy's like right here. Look at that. Fucking right below my UFO. This is all real time, folks. I am doing this. I just walked out back and here we go. I start seeing all this shit. So anyways, I'm not even gonna go in the front yard. That was the, see, that's a drone. Now, somebody explain to me why there's so many, fucking drones flying around my backyard. If this shit right here is not real. It is real. So, anyways, over and out. I'm bored. I don't want too much of you guys having to listen to me ramble on. But that's good enough. Thank you for watching. Alright. Okay, these are just quick ones of the guys out front. You just saw them go invisible because I came out here. And here is where the drones, this is where they all come to. Yeah. Anyways, this is my UFO right here. He went invisible because this guy right here. This is in my fucking front yard, man. Isn't there like a law about going on over people's property in drones? I swear. That's so weird, man. Go away. I don't mind the UFOs. I mind these guys. See? He's going to see this guy right here. That's another UFO right there. Look how close they are. UFO, drones, say hi to each other. It looked like the drone, my UFO was attacking him. See that? This is a fucking circus of shit. Anyways, I'm gonna connect this one to the other video. Sorry if I said thank you already, but thank you again.